Hi, Jordan Hanna here from MarineMax Jupiter, and I'm on a beautiful 2025 Scout 330 LXF. This boat is just hitting the market and is as close to new, if not better, as you can get. You'll see here right off the transom, you've got twin V10 400 horsepower Mercury engines. These are the latest and greatest from Mercury. We're getting incredible power and performance, and I'll tell you, this is one of the most fun boats to drive out on the water. You drop the throttles, boat takes right off, great agility. This is a stepped hull, so seeing just incredible performance numbers. One thing that Scout does really good, you'll notice on their newer models here, is that you have no splash well in the back. So no matter what side of the dock you park on, it's easy getting in and out of the boat. You can walk back here very easily. You've got rod holders across the transom, nice padded bolster if you're fighting a fish, and you just look at the attention to detail that Scout puts into their cushions and just throughout the whole boat. This is what's considered an LXF model, which is luxury fishing. So fold down transom seat here if you're riding out to the spot, or if you want to have two couples sitting here, you've got opposing seats underneath your extended hardtop aft shade. So super neat option. You've got the live well here, port side, and you'll notice right now the engines are working and maneuvering to keep us in the same spot with nobody at the helm due to the skyhook. So there's an internal GPS that when you press that button, it'll lock you right in that spot, no matter what the wind or the current's doing. And I'll tell you right now, we're in a very high current position, and these are working fairly effortlessly to keep us right here. So this boat is loaded with options. You'll see you've got the black engines with the shark gray Mohawk engine accent stripe to match the hull sides. It's midnight edition, so all the powder coating is black. You got black underneath the hard top. But here in this cockpit area, great space to work a fish. You got fresh, raw water wash down, fish boxes port and starboard. And then this aft facing seat here is a great option on this boat and actually gives you a cooler underneath. So super cool option. Walking up here to the helm, you'll see that Scout probably has the best looking helm out here on the water. You've got a black acrylic dash, black gel coat dash here as well, black Edson steering wheel with the rubber grips on the back. You've got your knob here, so just really giving you incredible looking dash and very practical. You'll see here I've got use of this joystick. And this boat, if you've never driven one with a Mercury joystick, it's like it's like playing a video game. You press left here and the boat will just walk parallel. If you twist it, it'll spin on a dime. So this is gonna give you total control of this boat when you're docking or you're maneuvering in tight spaces. So also has built-in autopilot, auto heading, and when it comes to joystick parking, there's nothing out there like Mercury. It's the most advanced system out on the market. Super smooth, quiet, almost zero vibration. You've got here a glove box, another glove box here, twin 16-inch Garmin's, premium stereo, JL audio. This boat is loaded with options. As far as electronics, we recently just added a dome radar and a Psionics night vision camera, which is a super cool option to have on this boat. Another thing that I really like on these Scout boats is the ergonomics at the helm. So you'll notice you got a flip up bolster, so if you wanted to stand and drive, it's super comfortable. But just the way that they set this up, you've got armrests on both sides, the steering wheel is adjustable, and it feels like you're driving a car. A lot of these larger center consoles, when you're sitting at the helm here, you'll notice that the wheel is out and away, so it's almost like you have to drive with your knee. This is super comfortable. I've got great visibility out the windshield, And it's just something, if you haven't sat at the helm of one of these boats, you're definitely gonna wanna check it out because you'll notice a difference. All right, so let's go check out the bow here. This is the biggest 33-foot center console bow that you'll get on. This boat feels much bigger than it is. It's a great use of space, how they dug in this huge wraparound seating. You've got molded in backrests here, so super comfortable to be forward facing while underway. Nice backrest, got a grab rail. We've got a removable teak top table that you could put right here. So if you're doing, having lunch or some cocktails on the boat, it's a great spot for it. Underneath all these seats, you've got storage. There's no snaps or anything that you've got to undo. All you got to do here is nice finger grooves, easy access. All the hatches are polished finished gel coat. As far as the fit and finish, you'd be very hard pressed to find a better built boat than Scout. Another spot here, I mean, you can have 4 people fully laying out in the bow, feet up, forward facing while underway. This lounger's great. You've got fold down armrests, cup holders, beautiful stitching, storage everywhere. Just had custom made covers fit for the boat. You can see your table stores right here, so you're not hunting through the boat looking for it. And then let's check out down in this boat too, you also do have a cabin. And for a center console, this 33-foot Scout has an incredible cabin down below. So go check it out. You've got a vacuum flush head. Just a great use of space. That centerpiece pulls out and makes a wraparound seating if you didn't want it to be a bed. But again, this is a boat you're gonna wanna see in person. My name is Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Jupiter, and you can reach me 561-427-9217. Thanks a lot and look forward to hearing from you.